So first thing, practice. You got to get into the practice mindset. And that practice mindset is that it's not just, like I said, a box that you're checking every single day. You have to get into this mindset that if you want to obtain those 15, 20 plus transactions a year, and you want it to be a breeze to get those clients, you need to put in the practice every single day in order to get to that point. So a couple of quotes here. We win our games in practice. We learn and follow the fundamentals of our game better than anyone in the league. All of our games are won in practice. That's Maddie's grandfather, Vince Lombardi. No, just kidding. I assume everybody from Wisconsin is related to Vince Lombardi in some way. But this is so true, because you are not going to win in real life. You're not going to win in a football game or real estate transaction if you don't practice these things before you get into these real situations. You're going to get caught with your pants around your ankles looking foolish if you don't practice these things. Another quote, I play to win, whether during practice or a real game, and I will not let anything get in the way of me and my competitive enthusiasm to win. Michael Jordan. Have you guys seen that, like 30 on 30 or with the Michael Jordan, the documentary, which one? The Last Dance. Yeah. Michael Jordan is a fucking asshole in practice. He is the worst human being. Kobe too. You notice how we're saying like the two best basketball players of all time? They're assholes in practice. They are the worst people to practice with. Anybody that doesn't take practice seriously or just shows up to practice to check a box hated practicing with Jordan and Kobe, because they took practice more seriously than they did the games. Jordan knew that there were not going to be refs at practice, so he'll hit you twice as hard. He'll check you, he'll bump you. He will play with so much more fury and fight in those practice matches than he will in the game, to get so good that the game is just a piece of cake. He's just walking on air. Air Jordan. I don't know. Where's my residuals from Nike for that one? But this is so true. You know, we have to go into practice with that competitive enthusiasm. You should go into role play with that same mindset. Get yourself in that practice mindset that this is not just getting a few words out or trying to memorize 2 or 3 sentences. This is you winning something. This is you really competing against yourself. You're not competing against your teammates. Your teammates are there to help you. But for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you might be competing with them, because you're competing with them to win that role play scenario, to capture that objective, to win that objective. So that's the mindset that you have to change when you're role playing in practice.